Looking for age-defying elegance without the fuss? Discover 15 hairstyles that celebrate your beauty at every strand. Don't forget to share your favorite style in the comments. 1. Soft silver bob with side part. This chin-length bob in shimmering silver tones offers a clean, modern frame for mature faces. Ideal for fine to medium hair types and oval or heart-shaped faces. 2. Elegant Low Chignon. A neat Low Chignon at the nape in natural gray is graceful and timeless, perfect for formal occasions and women with thick or long hair. 3. Wispy Pixie Cut. A textured pixie in icy white with feathered layers adds movement and lifts facial features. Best suited for petite faces and high cheekbones. 4. Shoulder-length layers with curtain bangs. Soft layers with face-framing bangs in silver blonde give youthful movement. Great for softening square jawlines and medium-density hair. 5. Short voluminous curls. Defined silver curls with volume at the crown offer a classic look, perfect for round faces and women with naturally curly hair. 6. Sleek Straight Lob. A straight, collarbone-length lob in natural gray or silver gives a refined, polished silhouette, ideal for angular faces and thick hair. 7. Tapered cut with side-swept bangs. Short sides taper into longer, side-swept bangs in ash gray. A flattering, low-maintenance choice for women with oval or long face shapes. 8. Messy bun with face-framing strands. A loose bun with wispy strands in pearl white adds softness, perfect for casual outings and flattering on round and oval faces. 9. Cropped curly pixie. Short and tightly curled with salt and pepper tones. This cut defines cheekbones and is easy to manage. Best for naturally curly or coily hair. 10. Feathered shoulder cut. Shoulder length with feathered ends and light blonde streaks adds volume and movement. Great for thinning hair and elongating round faces. 11. Classic French twist. A smooth twist in natural silver, tucked tightly at the back. Elegant and ideal for formal events and oblong face shapes. 12. Layered bob with highlights. Soft layers with fine blonde or silver highlights enhance dimension. Suits most face shapes and works best with medium to thick hair. 13. Brushed back short hair. Short, brushed back silver hair with volume at the crown offers structure and lift. Ideal for women with sharp jawlines and strong features. 14. Chin-length curls with side part. Loose curls at chin level in light ash blonde create softness. Best for angular faces and fine to medium hair. 15. Modern Shag Cut. A short to mid-length shag with PC layers and silvery blonde tones brings youthful flair, perfect for adding body to thinning hair.